Can you feel the fall? Don't tell me what's wrong when you don't care at all. Oh, I could scale your walls, but you could never know the home I saw.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sherry and I'm so glad that you're with me today. Today I have for you a Walmart beauty box unboxing, and I've never done one of these on my channel before. I have been receiving this subscription service for probably 2 years now, and it's seasonal and you don't really know when it's going to come. You just get an email saying it's going to come, but it's only $5 and you can sign up on the Walmart website, and it's just full of seasonal items. So obviously this one's going to be for summer because summer is approaching us now. But let's go ahead and get in here. I'll show you what it looks like. I can't say that I've ever been like completely wowed by this subscription because I always kind of wish there was more makeup in there, but you'll see. It is really, they are kind of stepping up their game with the packaging because it really does look nice. This is what it looks like when you open it up. And this is kind of cute what was inside the lid. It says, "Embrace your beauty. This spring, show off your fabulous self." So I don't know, maybe this is a spring box, but anyways, we'll read some of this and maybe it will say it's a spring box. But the little card says, "Embrace your beauty, rate and review." And then on the back it says, "Enter to win a $100 gift card by telling them what you think about the beauty box." But this is really pretty. The nice lime green floral, kind of tissue paper, but it's kind of more like wrapping paper. I've got a lid off of something here, so I'm going to put it back together real quick. They do not give you a listing of what is in here and what the value is or what the retail value for the full size is, but these are sample sizes, except for a few, and I'll just go through these one by one. But this is what it looks like when you get into it. It's filled with lots of products, lots of goodies. And I'm just going to go through and talk about each one. Once I find a spot to sit it, that it's not going to roll off, knock over, you know, the norm around here. One thing that I will say is that there are often repeats. I have already seen 2 in here that I've had before. But there's also some new ones. And I have found some products that I was really happy that I discovered from the box. So for $5, I don't think that's too bad. So I'm just going to go randomly in here and start talking about these things. The first one is Aveeno Daily Moisture Yogurt Body Wash. And I say that this is a repeat because the bottle looked the same, but this is actually something different. And I have not seen the Daily Moisturizing Yogurt Body Wash before. And I've actually never used an Aveeno body wash. I have used their oatmeal baths whenever I had like mosquito bites and rashes and that sort of thing. And I've also tried some facial lotion, some facial moisturizer that I really loved. I used it for a long time, and some facial wash. So I am a fan of Aveeno products, so I don't think that I will mind this. This might be something good to keep around for whenever I forget to buy my regular body wash. It smells very, look, I made it bubble. It smells very vanilla-y. It smells like vanilla and honey combined. It actually smells really good. It's kind of a warm fragrance. I would expect an Aveeno product to kind of smell green, if you know what I mean by green. Herbal, I guess is a better word. But yeah. And it's moisturizing, which I always prefer. I always buy body washes that are moisturizing. Alright, the next thing is Pantene Foam Conditioner, Sheer Volume Conditioner Revitalisant, in French that I can't read. And it looks like this. So, foam conditioner, interesting. I'm going to grab my glasses and read what it says on the back because I don't know about foam conditioner. It says, shake well, apply a palm-sized amount of airlight foam into wet hair after shampooing. So this is a leave-in conditioner. I've been a fan of Pantene in the past. I really do stick with professional products for the most part. And I do that because I've been buying and using professional products since I was in beauty school in 89 and 90. So I'm kind of a snob. I'm kind of a hair product snob. But when I did use things from the drugstore, I did like Pantene. So I kind of want to, I always really love the scent of their products. I'm going to spray a little out on my hand just to sniff it. Wow, a lot came out. Yeah, it has that same Pantene scent, and I love the way it smells. Pardon me while I sit here and sniff this for a minute. Oh, it really smells good. If I didn't know that I'm not washing my hair tomorrow, I would put it in my hair right now. But ain't nobody got time to be washing my hair tomorrow. Smells delicious. When I say delicious, I say delicious, just like Miranda Sings. Does anybody like Miranda Sings? I know that it's childish and infantile, and most people who are 12 like Miranda Sings, but I love Miranda Sings. In fact, I really wanted to go see her. She was going to be at a place in Midwest City, which is about an hour away, and Becky and I even bought tickets, or she bought the tickets, not realizing that we have a concert the same day. So finally get her to come to Oklahoma, and it interferes with something we're already doing. Now this one is a repeat, Jergens Natural Glow Wet Skin Moisturizer. And I have used the Jergens Natural Glow lotions, and I really like them because it's a very gradual, subtle self-tanner. When you put it on, probably 2 or 3 days in a row, you would notice a difference, but not if you just did it one day. But it's very subtle, and this is in fair to medium, so this would probably be even more subtle. I ordinarily use the medium to deep, but this is the wet skin moisturizer, so I'm assuming this is the one that you use in the shower. I'm going to be going back and forth with my glasses. Yes, apply on wet skin after showering with the water off. Glide the lotion evenly onto wet skin. Start with a dime size on each arm and a quarter size on each leg. They must not know how big my legs are. Silver dollar. Anyways, it says use sparingly around elbows and knees and ankles. And it does say to wash your hand. It says color stays on you, not your towel. So that's good to know. But anyways, I really do like this in the summer because I don't do much tanning. I'm trying to actually be nice to my skin. And so this really gives a nice little bit of color on the legs. I really like that. All right, next is something I haven't seen before. It's called Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. And it's in the scent crushed, or the variation crushed macadamia and rice milk. This is a nice size. I'm just going to leave my glasses on. We'll just glow and glare together. It looks like it comes in 3 different scents. I can't see what the other ones are. But it says reveals silky smooth skin with Dove Exfoliating Body Polish by exfoliating and restoring skin's natural nutrients. Use in the shower or the bath, scoop a generous amount of body polish with hand, spread all over body in circular motions, and rinse. Follow with Dove Body Wash or Dove Beauty Bar. So I'm going to open this up because, you know, I'm all about the way things smell, especially when it comes to bath and body products. Oh, it looked like a little container, but it's a little foil pouchy thing. I don't know if I want to open it yet. I don't know if I can figure out how to open it. I guess you puncture this, and I really don't want to do that until I plan on using it. So, sorry to let you down. I won't be able to tell you about the scent, but macadamia and rice milk, I would kind of guess maybe like an almond-ish scent. All right, next is Hello Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste, Activated Charcoal with Fresh Mint and Coconut Oil. Fluoride-free toothpaste. I kind of thought the point of brushing your teeth with toothpaste was to get some fluoride on your teeth. But yeah, it says free from artificial sweeteners, artificial flavors, dyes, fluoride, SLL sulfates, microbeads, parabens, triclosan, dairy, and gluten. Brush happy. It's naturally friendly. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a a natural, organic type of toothpaste. But yeah, I've never seen this brand before. I've never seen that before. All right. I see something that makes me happy. I always feel happy when I... Oh no. Oh no, you guys. Oh no. If you've been a long time viewer of mine, when I show you this, you will know why I'm saying oh no. This is the Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, Nourish and Restore. I love sheet masks. When I used the Donkey Milk moisturizer, it was really nice, and it really did give my skin a nice drink. It says innovative skin gel mask test technology. It says that the mask infuses traditional fabric sheet mask with hydrogel technology to improve delivery of nutrient-rich donkey milk and other effective ingredients for glowing, healthy, and moisture-plumped skin. It says it has donkey milk, salmon egg extract, and yeah. So yay for that. Anyway. And often they do have coupons for some of the things that are in the box, or an explanation of what they are. So here's just an explanation of the different products from Hello. No coupon. And an explanation of the foam conditioner. No coupon. So, all right, guys, that's it for this box. I'm happy with it. There's a lot of these little things, and if all else fails, if I don't end up using these, I throw them in giveaways, or I give them to my mom, who tends to travel more than I do, because these sample sizes are really good sizes for travel. So I will give them a try. Most of these I think I'll try myself. And you know, I haven't been good about having a vanity that things don't fall off of non-stop. I haven't been good about returning to tell you how I feel about things, and I don't know, I just kind of feel like it would be boring, but at the same time, I really enjoy whenever people revisit their hauls and tell me what they thought about the products, or people who do hauls and have already tried some of the things so that they can give little mini reviews. So you can tell me in the comments what you think. With boxes like this where I'm explaining all the products, if and when I use these, would you like an update on how I thought, what I thought about them, or if I like them or not? If you would like that, please let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, so that is my Walmart beauty box. I guess it's the spring box. Maybe I'll get one in the summer too, but pretty good stuff this time. Better than most of the ones that I've had in the past. So if you're interested, you literally just go to the Walmart website, type in Walmart beauty box, and you'll find how to subscribe to this. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I ordinarily upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And when I do a live stream, it's on Wednesday evenings at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time, or at least until school gets out. By the time you see this, school will probably be out. So yes, Lord. Yeah. I will look like a kinder, gentler version of myself. But yeah, thank you for joining me. So until next time, guys, take care and God bless. Bye. Rate and review the box for a chance to enter $100. Enter to win and enter. I'm having a nose itching, like, are you tired of watching me itch my nose? Because I'm tired of having to stop. But allergies, dude. Allergies ain't no joke around these parts right now. Okay, let me go on. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Yeah.